Now, you're probably wondering why the hell I'm wearing a Mammoth cap and dressed like I'm in the apocalypse. Well, that's exactly how you feel when you're running Hurricane's EOTech EXPS3 zombie killer. Yeah, it's the same 65 MOA circle, but it's a radiation symbol. And encompassed in that is a small, beautiful scene, 1 MOA dot. Which, we all know that the badass Special Forces guys run EXPS3s, right? Why wouldn't you want to run an EXPS3 in the zombie apocalypse, right? So I guess that qualifies me as a Mammoth. Considering. Now, when it comes to running optics per se in a high-speed, close-quarters combat environment, we all know that EOTech is superior, like hands down. I mean, the SOCOM guys run the EXPS3s as well as 551s and 552s and 553s downrange. So we already know why they choose EOTech. First and foremost, basically, all you have to do is put that 65 MOA circle on your target and squeeze the trigger. And in a sense, let the gun do the rest of the work. And with Hurricane's exact copy of the EXPS3, but meant to kill zombies, you get that same exact feeling. Not necessarily like special ops, but more like maybe ex-PMCs stuck in some kind of European town fighting off zombies. Yeah, that's exactly how you feel. And that's exactly why I wore the Mammoth cap. Because you feel just like a badass motherfucker. Now, hold on. Before we start saying anything else. Now, I understand that Hurricane once held, we'll say, licensing with EOTech to produce these things. For us milsimmers and airsofters and cosplayers out there who want to kind of have a more realistic functioning, realistic looking EOTech optic on our rifle. And then what happened? EOTech took away that licensing. Yeah, rip for the airsoft world, right? But you can still find Hurricane, Element, GMP, and other forms of EOTech repo in the market that still have, that EOTech look, EOTech feel, but without the whole licensing and cool factor. But I must say, what really makes this cool is that you can run this with the red or green reticle, and you get over 600 plus hours of runtime on one CR123A battery. Just like the real deal. And for me, having something that runs like the real deal is as close as it gets. Period.